Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of my absolute favorite topics accessories. As we transition into fall 2024, I know many of you are looking for ways to elevate your style without breaking the bank. Well, you're in the right place. If you've ever felt like your outfits are missing that special something, or if you want to stand out this season, I'm here for you. Accessories have the incredible power to transform a simple look into something extraordinary. And I'm going to show you how. From statement belts to chic handbags, I'll share some must have pieces that will not only enhance your wardrobe, but also reflect your unique style. Get ready to discover how easy it is to make a bold impression this fall. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's explore the hottest accessory trends together. I promise, this is going to be a fun journey, so stay tuned. Before we dive into the accessories themselves, let's take a moment to talk about who this video is really for. If you're someone who loves fashion and wants to keep your style fresh and exciting, you're in the right spot. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just someone who enjoys dressing up, these tips are designed for you. I know that many of you want to express your individuality through your outfits, and that's exactly what these accessories will help you achieve. Each piece I'll share today is versatile and can be styled in multiple ways, allowing you to showcase your unique personality. So, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by fashion choices or wondered how to make a statement without going overboard, you're not alone. This is a space where we can explore together, learn from each other, and inspire one another. I want you to feel confident and excited about your style journey. Now let's get started with our first must-have accessory for fall 2024. Let's kick things off with our first must-have accessory. Statement belts. These aren't just functional pieces. They're powerful style statements that can completely transform your outfit. This fall, oversized and embellished belts are making a huge splash, and trust me, you'll want to get in on this trend. Imagine cinching a flowy dress or adding structure to an oversized coat with a bold belt featuring intricate designs or a striking buckle. The beauty of statement belts is their versatility. You can pair them with high-waisted trousers, long cardigans, or even layer them over a trench coat. The key is to let your belt be the focal point of your outfit. For a chic look, opt for neutral or monochromatic pieces as your base and let the belt shine. If you're feeling adventurous, choose belts with unique textures or patterns that contrast with your clothing. Whether you're dressing for a casual day out or a night on the town, a statement belt is essential for adding that extra flair. I'd love to hear in the comments how you plan to style your statement belts this fall. Next up, let's talk about leather gloves, an absolute must-have for fall. As the temperature drops, these timeless accessories not only keep your hands warm, but also add a touch of sophistication to any outfit. This season, we're seeing a beautiful resurgence of classic styles, along with some modern twists like colorful leathers and unique detailing. Whether you prefer sleek, minimalist designs or something a bit more elaborate with buttons or embroidery, leather gloves are both chic and practical. They offer warmth without bulk, making them perfect for those chilly fall mornings when you want to look stylish without sacrificing comfort. Pair your leather gloves with a tailored coat and a structured handbag for a polished look that's ready for anything. And here's a fun tip. Don't be afraid to experiment with colors. A pop of burgundy or navy can really elevate your outfit. I'd love to hear from you. Have you found your perfect pair of leather gloves yet? Share your favorites in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to stay stylish this fall. Now let's shine some light on our third must-have accessory, gold-toned jewelry. This fall, gold jewelry is all the rage, adding warmth and a luxurious touch to any outfit. It's the perfect complement to the rich, earthy tones we see during the season like burgundy, forest green, and navy blue. Think bold gold pieces, oversized hoops, chunky chains, and layered bracelets. These items are not just stylish, they're incredibly versatile, allowing you to mix and match with your existing jewelry collection. For a striking look, don't hesitate to go big with the statement pieces that draw attention. Layering is key this season. Combine different lengths and styles to create a personalized look that truly reflects your unique style. And if you prefer a more subtle vibe, delicate gold pieces can add just the right hint of elegance without overwhelming your outfit. I want to hear from you. How do you like to incorporate gold jewelry into your outfits? Share your tips and favorite pieces in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to keep glowing all season long. Let's move on to our fourth must-have accessory, structured handbags. These bags are not just practical, they're a key component of your overall look. This fall, structured handbags are making a big impact with their clean lines and defined shapes, offering a polished and sophisticated aesthetic that can elevate any outfit. Whether you choose a sleek tote, a boxy crossbody, or a chic top handle bag, these styles bring a sense of order and elegance to your ensemble. We're seeing a trend towards minimalist designs this season, focusing on quality materials and craftsmanship. These bags easily transition from day to night, making them perfect for the busy modern woman. During the day, a larger structured tote can hold all your essentials while still looking chic and professional. Then, when evening comes, simply swap it out for a smaller, more refined bag, like a boxy crossbody or a sleek clutch. When styling structured handbags, consider the overall silhouette of your outfit. They pair beautifully with tailored pieces like blazers and trousers, but can also add refinement to more casual looks. I'd love to know, what's your go-to structured handbag style? Share your thoughts in the comments. Now let's wrap up our accessory list with the fifth must-have, chunky boots. These boots are not just a trend. They're a fall staple that combines comfort with a bit of edge. With their thick soles and robust design, chunky boots bring a rugged yet chic vibe to your outfits, making them perfect for everything from casual weekend outings to more fashion-forward looks. This fall, we're seeing chunky boots in various styles, from classic black leather to bold colors and even unique textures like patent or suede. The best part? They're incredibly practical. The sturdy soles provide great grip, which is especially useful during wet or slippery conditions. And they offer fantastic support for all-day wear. When styling chunky boots, consider the proportions of your outfit. Pair them with slim-fitting pants or a shorter hemline to balance out the bulkiness of the boots. Whether you're running errands or heading out for a night on the town, chunky boots will keep you looking fashionable while staying comfortable. I'm curious, how do you like to style your chunky boots? Share your favorite looks in the comments below, and let's inspire each other this fall. Now that we've explored some fabulous must-have accessories for fall 2024, I want to hear from you. Your thoughts and experiences are what make this community special, and I genuinely believe we can learn so much from one another. So let's get interactive. I'd love for you to share which accessory from today's video excites you the most. Is it the statement belt that you can't wait to try? Or perhaps the structured handbag that caught your eye? Maybe you have your own styling tips or stories about how you've incorporated these pieces into your outfits. In addition, I'm considering creating a fun poll for future videos to see what topics you're most interested in. Your input really matters, and it helps me tailor content that you'll love. So keep an eye out for that. Let's make this space a vibrant community where we can discuss fashion, swap ideas, and inspire each other. Don't hold back, drop your comments below. I can't wait to read what you have to say and join the conversation. Let's keep the style inspiration flowing. Wow, what an exciting journey we've had today, exploring the must-have accessories for fall 2024. We've covered everything from statement belts and leather gloves to gold-toned jewelry, structured handbags and chunky boots. Each piece we discussed is not just an accessory. They're powerful tools that can elevate your style and showcase your unique personality. Remember, these accessories are all about enhancing your wardrobe and giving you the confidence to express yourself. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or simply wanting to add a little flair to your everyday look, these items can truly transform your outfits. They allow you to mix and match, experiment with your style, and stand out in a crowd. So, as we embrace this beautiful fall season, I encourage you to step out of your comfort zone and try incorporating these trends into your wardrobe. Fashion should be fun and expressive, and you deserve to feel amazing in whatever you wear. I can't wait to hear how you plan to use these accessories. Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going. Stay stylish, and let's move on to our next adventure together. As we wrap up today's video, I want to thank you all for joining me on this style journey. I hope you found some inspiration in the must-have accessories we explored together for Fall 2024. Remember, fashion is about expressing yourself, and these pieces can help you do just that. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Your support means the world to me and helps others discover this content. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. What accessory are you most excited to try? I love hearing your ideas and experiences, and I can't wait to engage with you. Let's keep this fashion conversation going. If you have any suggestions for future videos or topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to drop those in the comments too. I'm here to create content that resonates with you, so your feedback is invaluable. Thank you again for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting videos coming your way. And remember, keep shining and expressing your unique style. Until next time, stay stylish and take care.